January! I haven't done a progress report in ages, so I thought I'm in the mood. Me and Roy have just been talking about what we're going to change in the garden, and so I thought we'd do that. Our car's broken again, but we've got a new van, a little white van. And we've got some ideas what we're going to do with that, but we'll leave that for another time. So it's our new vehicle. Roy's busy moving the wood. Okay, loads of things going through my head at the moment, so let me turn the camera around. This is our community garden. We're going to continue it being a community garden, and hopefully more people this year will join in. A complete mess this time of year. Never mind. Our rose bush, look, has been cut back, so that's going to be beautiful when that comes out. We're going to put a play area here for the kids, like not a Wendy house. God, that's old, isn't it? Like a wooden house for the kids to play in. What we've got going on over there, I think. See the sacred geometry garden here. We're going to put corn in it this year. And over there by the swimming pool, I can't remember what we said we were going to put there. Squash, I think, again. We did that a couple of years ago. We're going to build something here, like a structure with a roof on it, with tiles and things to be completely undercover and out of the sun. We're going to take down this chicken pen because, as you know, all of our chickens got wiped out recently. So we're moving all this. We're digging up this bit of grass here. We're going to have a huge veggie patch. Roy's going to level out the ground so it's one big patch there. Down by the, hang on, it's a bit slippy, I don't want to go flying, that'd be funny, wouldn't it? Down by the cart, from the steps to the cart just there, and all the way along is going to be the new chicken pen. Going to get some more chickens. We're not going to go for the cockerel just yet, we'll just keep to chickens. This is all our strawberries, so we're going to keep that. The polytunnel, we're going to keep that. Can't remember what else. The raspberry bush hedge. The raspberry hedge is going to grow on. We've cut that back, so that'll grow up lovely. There's a nice barrier there. What else were we going to do? Well, the barn, we're going to put all these little slots. We're going to actually have windows that open and get some fresh air. We're going to have some wave. We're going to have a door that opens as well. We've got loads of work to do on the barn this year. The field next to us, oh my god, can't wait to get that field, but that's on the cards definitely. And we're going to move this caravan into the field and make it into like a log cabin type lovely thing. So we've got so many plans. We've had so many plans for a long time, and each year we can, well, it's money, isn't it? Do a bit of work and save up, and then people give us things, and then people give us a hand and things. It's bit by bit, tapeti. Anyway, really excited. It's this time of year where the ground is still quite hard and we can't really dig it up yet. We've got some trees to plant. Another month it should be able to get in and start, you know, moulding the earth, I was going to say, and stuff. And the weather's just getting nice where you can come out for a little bit without freezing your bits off. Going to start doing workawayers again this year. I think I'll wait till the summer. I couldn't do it last year. We had a lovely family last year. And they were amazing, but my health got bad. But this year will be fine. I can't wait to do some workawayers this year and then get some more people camping. And I'm not quite sure when the caravan will be ready for people to stay, but they can bring their camper vans if you like. I'm sure me and Roy were just discussing more, but never mind. Look at that beautiful view over there. I absolutely love this. Anyway, that's just a quick progress report on how the garden's going. Can't wait to start growing things. So anyway, hope you're all okay, and as soon as we start doing things, I'll do another one. Okay, bye.